Today's interesting knowledge is about the enchanting world of waterfalls. A natural waterfall is a captivating and picturesque phenomenon created by the force of flowing water descending from a higher elevation to a lower one. It is a stunning display of nature's power and beauty. Waterfalls can be found in various landscapes, such as mountains, forests, canyons, and even in urban areas. The formation of a waterfall typically begins with a river or stream flowing over a steep edge or a series of rock formations. As the water cascades downwards, it gains momentum, creating a mesmerizing sight and a distinct roaring sound. They can be tall and slender, or short and wide, depending on the characteristics of the terrain. Some waterfalls feature a single uninterrupted drop, while others consist of multiple tiers or steps, forming a cascading effect. The height of waterfalls can vary greatly, ranging from a few feet to several hundred feet or more. The appearance of a waterfall changes with the seasons. In colder regions, waterfalls can freeze during winter, transforming into breathtaking ice formations. During spring and summer, they are often at their fullest, as melting snow or heavy rainfall increases the water flow. Autumn can bring a unique charm as colorful foliage surrounds the waterfall, creating a picturesque scene. Waterfalls not only captivate us with their natural beauty, but they also play an important role in the ecosystem. If you liked the video, then subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.